Hello! In this video we're going to go over how to edit a pre-made Nearpod presentation, and we're going to look specifically just at a few tools, how to edit them as a guide and introduction to editing. So we know from the last videos how to navigate the Nearpod library and find the presentation that we want. So I'm going to use the turtles lesson, and to start the edit you just hover above the plan you want and click on the edit button. I'm going to edit this without duplicating it. It's going to bring us to the next screen that shows us all of the slides and activities that are part of the lesson in order. This screen we have the capability to add and delete slides, to copy slides, and to add new content and things. But also within this we can add or edit what's already there. And so that's what we're going to do today. It should be noted that these purple background text slides, the text in them in a lot of the Nearpod pre-made lessons is not editable. These are actually images, so all the text was created in a presentation program like PowerPoint or Google Slides, because those programs have a lot more capabilities for design and different text options and ability to bring in other multimedia facets. So all of those, so we're not going to try and edit that text right now. We're going to look more at the activities, and we're going to start with this collaborate board. The board comes up and it shows a question. So what the students would see is this question, and then they would write an answer and it would post it with a sticky note. So if we want to change what the dialogue is around this question, if we want to change the question, it says, what do turtles need to survive? If we change it to, what do turtles eat to survive? That changes what they would be talking about. And that's, so if a teacher wanted to alter things slightly or change that question altogether, we could do that. So I'm going to save it. And then we're going to move on to the quiz function. And we can change, we can change the video, we can change the headline of the video, draw it, like any of these. If there's text in them, we can change that text. If there's other multimedia, we can bring in our own video or visuals or anything we want to. So for this quiz, these are our text. So it has the questions and the answers that are all built. So for this one, I want to change question 2. There are currently 4 answers. And I'm just going to change a couple of the answers so that there's less correct answers. So I'm going to change this. They lay eggs on land to they lay eggs in the water. And then I just check that off, and it's no longer a correct answer. And I'll change cold to warm in warm-blooded. And now that I've updated that, I once again save it. It'll bring me back and we'll edit our last activity, which is this poll here. And the poll's just asking a question. This one is about how confident they feel, and the answers are vary somewhat or not. So if I wanted to change this question from ability to explain how turtles meet their basic needs to feel about your ability to explain what turtles eat, to go stay on topic with the first one, and I save that again. And now in this presentation, I've made 3 edits, and to save it, you need to save it and exit, and it'll bring me back to my home screen. I'll wait for that to keep saving. So that's finished. Thank you for watching.